Well, hey guys, I've got a new fuel pump for the Spitfire project, as the old one just keeps leaking out of this top bolt here. And it doesn't matter how many times I've tried tightening up this bolt, it just keeps vibrating itself loose. I've even tried Loctite on it and it still vibrates itself loose. So these fuel pumps, well, they're only £20–30 to buy new, so it's just not worth messing about anymore. We may as well fit a new one to the car. So anyway, let's get on with it. Let's get it fitted to the car. Now, something I've always loved about Spitfires is the accessibility of everything around the engine, and fuel pump being no exception to that. It's just two 1/2-inch nuts either side and two Jubilee clips to take off, obviously clamping off this pipe here so fuel doesn't go everywhere, and the fuel pump is off. So let's get it off. Now then, it's always important to check the old fuel pump against the new one we're putting in, because on BL cars they make two different types of pumps, where you've got one with a long lever and requires a little bit of a spacer between it, and one that's got a slightly shorter lever and doesn't require a spacer. So just looking at these two pumps here, the actual levers just here look about the same sort of length, so I think we're pretty safe and we can just put this pump straight in place. Okay, that's the fuel pump in. So the last thing we've got to do, just start her up and just check her and make sure that we haven't got any leaks. So there we are, the new fuel pump in place. And there's no longer any annoying fuel leaks, which is dangerous to say the least. But what I will say is, if you're doing this to your own car and you experience the car starts up and then stalls, what that is it's just air coming into the system from disconnecting the fuel hoses to the pump. Don't worry about it too much, just turn over the car a few more times and it will eventually clear, and then the car will be running beautifully again. But anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.